Greg here again with another video. I'm very excited about showing you some real true Odoo hacks that can save you a lot of time. This time I'm going to be using custom GPTs. Now before we get started, please click like, please click subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Tell us in the comments how you're using AI with Odoo, if you're not using it, if you just think it's a waste of time, or if it's something that you're interested in. I'd really like to know in the comments if people are using these tools like this, and if you've used custom GPTs. And that's what we're talking about here is using custom GPTs to get much better results. I'm going to combine that with a really cool tool, and if you stay till the end, I'm going to have a link where you can get it for free. I'm going to give you my link to my custom GPT here, this very one I'm going to show you here. I'm going to give you a link to that as well, so stay to the end to get that. Now if you go here, when I go to a ChatGPT window, you'll notice it says Odoo AI Mastermind by Greg Moss. Now, if you know what custom GPTs are and you've used them before, then that's great. And I hope you'll watch and see how I'm using it and tell me some things you've used it for and if you've learned anything. But for those that haven't, it really lets you focus on the information that you send to the ChatGPT and really structure the output. And we'll take a quick look at this. So when I edit the GPT, we'll see that I have a description for it here, the name of the GPT, and then now there's these instructions. And these are where you'll see that my AI Mastermind has quite a bit of instructions here. And some of the more important ones that really were important in creating some of the tools that I'm using are these kind of instructions here. With this GPT, you can request data sets to import into Odoo. Anytime you request data, always return Odoo XML records. And I specify Odoo 17 here. And then I give it example data set so it can know exactly what we're talking about, and I grab them from several models. So there's more to the GPT than just that. I have instructions here. Like I said, I will share that, and I want to make this kind of quick because if you're interested, you'll want to learn more, and you can click on my course and see that. But otherwise, what we'll do is we'll jump. We don't need to update it. It's good enough as it is. I'm going to say create 5 product records for a toy store. And because we're using the context, because we have all the structure, because there's it knows we're talking about Odoo, I don't have to tell it Odoo here. I just say create 5 product records. Now, it wouldn't know if you just went to the standard ChatGPT, it wouldn't know. And it would also just pick a random version of Odoo. And you can get more specific in the instructions and really have it create more complex data sets. It just takes time to build those up, and that's what I cover in the course is some of those tips and tricks. So you'll see that we have this data here. Now, the other thing that I've built that I'm going to share at the end in this link, or the links will be down below. You've watched enough. The links are down below, and if you're interested, you can get this tool here. But if I come here into my settings, I added this load data little utility to it's a little app I'll share, and it's real simple. It just brings up a wizard where you have a place to paste your XML data. You paste it in, you hit load data, and just like that, if there's no error and it just does what it's supposed to do, then we can come and see that data is going to be in here. Well, I know I saw a super action hero thing in there. So we'll go to products, super action. There it is. So there it is for $15.99. And there's the reference and everything from the data that we created right here in just a matter of seconds. And the truth is that GPT can do this in standard prompts. Using, especially the GPT-4 models and latest models, it's pretty good about Odoo data, but this is an example of where you can get it a lot more specific. So the truth is that you can do this with Odoo data in a regular ChatGPT, but this is a little bit, is going to dial it in. You're going to have less problems, less errors, and you'll see that I got this little handy tool that just makes it really easy to take just something from ChatGPT or Gemini or other AI models that can create Odoo data and get it in here. So I'll share this as well as part of it all. So thank you for watching. Please click like, please subscribe. It really helps. It's important for the YouTube algorithm so that they know that these videos should be recommended to other people if by commenting and watching. So that helps me a lot. I hope to see you guys in the course and in the workshop. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.